Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to give your business that extra edge and look more professional online, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a Wix business email quickly and easily, so you can start sending emails from your very own branded address. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only look more trustworthy to clients, but you'll also have more control over your business communications. Let's get started. First up, you'll want to open your Wix dashboard. If you're new to Wix, think of the dashboard as your command center. It's where you manage your site, settings, and all the little details that make your website run smoothly. Just log into your account and you'll be taken straight to this hub, which puts everything at your fingertips. Now, you need to select the specific site where you'd like to add your business email address. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to make sure you're picking the right one. For example, if you're running an online store and a personal portfolio, double-check that you're working with your business site, since that's where your professional communications will live. Once you're inside your chosen site's admin area, look for the section labeled Customer Leads. Wix organizes important business tools here, including ways to manage client interactions, signups, and, most importantly for us, business email. Go ahead and select Business Email from this section. This is your gateway to setting up a custom, professional email address that matches your domain, making your brand look legit and polished. At this point, Wix will ask you to connect a domain. What's happening here is that Wix wants to make sure your business email is tied directly to your own web address. So instead of using a generic email like Gmail or Yahoo, you'll have something like info@yourbusiness.com. This makes a huge difference in credibility, especially when reaching out to clients, suppliers, or even media contacts. Just click Connect Domain to begin, and Wix will walk you through the rest. Next up, you'll be asked to enter the web address you want connected to your site. This is usually your business's domain name, such as mycompany.com. Take a moment to type it in carefully. If you're not sure, you can always double-check your domain info in a separate browser tab. If you don't have a domain yet, Wix will offer you options to buy one directly. Connecting your domain is super important because your new email will use this address as its foundation. Once you've entered your web address, hit that Let's Go button. At this point, Wix handles all the technical stuff for you. No need to mess around with complicated settings or DNS records. Just sit tight for a minute as the things process. This part might take a few moments, but don't worry if the page seems to pause. It's just setting things up behind the scenes. And honestly, that's it. You've just set up a Wix business email. Now, you can create inboxes like contact@yourbusiness.com or sales@yourbusiness.com and start sending professional emails that reflect your brand. Your clients will definitely notice the difference, and it's a great way to keep business and personal messages separate. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you ran into any questions or want tips for managing your new email, drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more easy, step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new professional email address.